Hi. So I'm doing a video on focus and directrix. I know we did this at the live session, but for those who could not join us, um, here is a quick refresher. This is question 69. All right. So the question says we're looking for an equation of a parabola with a focus. Remember, a focus is a point. Let me just go ahead and change this color. So this right here is a point, and directrix is a line. Okay, so focus is a point, directrix is a line. So they're telling us that the focus is at 0, 4. So 0, 4 is right there, and it's a focus, so it's a point. And the line is y equals 2. So 1, 2, here's our line. It's the best I can do right now. All right. So what we're looking for is we are looking for the equation. To be able to do the equation of our parabola, what we need to do is we need to find the point in the middle. Remember, this is the one like the bear, this is the big bad bear, and this is a line of like little bears. So we need to find a safe distance in the middle, and so that starts right there. That's our vertex. So that means that our parabola is going to be looking like this. And the reason why is because remember that our parabola can never cross the directrix. Like it can't go down because then it would cross the directrix, right? It's a horribly drawn parabola, but you get the point. All right, so anyway, so this right here is our important part. This is called our vertex of the parabola. It's our, in this case, minimum. Some cases it'll be our maximum if it was upside down. So we're looking for the coordinates at this point. So we're still at 0, and now halfway between 4 and 2 is the number 3, right? So this point is going to be 0, 3. A way that you can do that kind of quickly is you can take 4 plus 2, which is 6, and then cut that in half, which is 3. Okay, so just find the average of the 2 points. And then the next piece of information that we need for sure is how much this distance is right here. So this is countable, right? You could just literally just go and look at it and say, oh, our P, which is that distance, is equal to 1. Oh, undo. Our P is equal to 1 anyway. All right. So the next thing we need to do is take this information. So here's our H and here's our K. So our H is 0 and our K is 3. And we're going to need to plug it into our formula. So our formula is X minus H. This should definitely go on a flashcard, 100%. 100%. Because I know you guys don't know this. Yeah. So now you're just going to take the numbers that we have and we're going to literally just plug it in. Okay, so it's X minus our H in this case is 0. Don't forget the squared is equal to 4 times our P is 1, because remember that distance is 1 unit. Y minus, and our K in this case is 3. So now, since that's not any of our answer choices, they wouldn't make it that simple now, would they? You're going to have to simplify this and try to get the Y by itself. That's our goal, okay? So the way we do that quite easily is just simplify this little thing right here. So 4 times 1 is equal to 4. We have parentheses y minus 3. I would not distribute this because it's going to make things a little bit more complicated. I'll show you why in a second. Anyway, x minus 0, right? This part right here, anything minus 0 is just itself, right? So 5 minus 0 is 5. 8 minus 0 is 8. K minus 0 is k. In this case, x minus 0 is x. So this becomes x squared. All right, so here's why I would not distribute this. Because the goal, remember, is to get the y by itself, right? So the y is housed in these parentheses. So how you get rid of that is you get rid of this 4. And the way we get rid of the 4 is by dividing by 4, which Andy mentioned yesterday during the live review session. So we have x squared over 4 is equal to y minus 3. And the only thing we need to do now to get the y by itself is add 3. So we get x squared over 4, which is this whole thing right here. We're going to add 3 to it, and that's what equals our y. And then we need to see which one matches that. So if you go to the top, that is choice D. Okay,